Hello everyone, welcome to Fixtronics. So today we have this HP Prodesk desktop, which I don't know what's wrong with it, so let's try it together. So if we connect the power, let's turn it on. Okay, so the power is on. If we try and turn it on, I can hear it beeping. So let's count these beeps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Let me just search for these beeps. Okay, so I searched a lot, but I couldn't find anything. So it might be the RAM memory, it might be the BIOS, it might be the power supply, and it might be the motherboard itself. So let me just take this off. Okay, so I think we can take this off. Okay, let me turn off the power, wait for it. Along with those beeps, the power button was flashing 5 red flashes and then 7 white flashes. So it was beeping 5 short beeps and then 7 long beeps, or I mean the opposite way. So 5 long beeps and then 7 short beeps. So let's try and let me try and disconnect the BIOS. I mean the RAM memory, and connect it in another slot. Yeah, let's connect it in another slot. Let's try this one. Okay, let's try it now. Can see it's still the same. So it's still the same. It's not the RAM, it might be the BIOS. Can we take this out? Yes, we can. Let's disconnect this. Okay, so it's more clear right now. So wow, I can see something. Do you want to see? Let's go under the microscope. Let me just turn on the microscope first. Okay, microscope. Look at this. It's all cracked. This is the PCH. So this is not repairable. The PCH has to be replaced, or else this motherboard will never turn on. Okay, so this computer is not fixable for now. I mean, I have to ask the customer if he wants me to replace the PCH. So Thank you for watching. This is a short video, and I hope I can see you in another video. Thank you so much.